This is the Tim Holtz stamp platform. It has a nice foam on the bottom, so it reduces it moving and skidding around. It comes with a couple magnets. I have my magnets wrapped with washi tape so that they're protected. Right on the front of the platform, it says clear or rubber, and you can adjust it or twist it or turn it around for which type of stamp you're using. My favorite way to use the stamp platform is with layering stamps. So I have some clear layering stamps. I like to position them on my paper, close the door to grab it onto the acrylic front of the stamp platform, and then I stamp with it. And the nice thing about using a stamp platform is if you don't get a clear image first, you can restamp it, or if you want to make your ink color a little bit darker, restamping it will accomplish that as well. Then you can go with the next layer and then the next layer for whatever color layer stamp set you're using. I also like to use the stamp positioner, the stamp platform, for sentiment stamps. If you don't get a clear image the first time, or you have one letter that isn't exactly clear, it's perfect to be able to stamp it again. It definitely takes the intimidation out of getting a perfect stamp image the first time, because you have that ability to stamp it more than once, because you know that that stamp is perfectly positioned. Those magnets that come with it are great for holding your paper in place so that it doesn't shift on you. And like I said, I wrap mine in washi tape because they're so strong. If they are not wrapped and they happen to go together, they likely will shatter. So you want to be careful with that. Keep them separated and wrap them in washi tape or something to protect them so that if they do happen to slam together, they have a bit of protection on them.